Good evening. Today my topic is interactive whiteboard. So synopsis: introduction, interactive whiteboard technologies, classroom uses, associated equipment, benefits of interactive whiteboard, disadvantages of interactive whiteboard, and conclusion references. Introduction: an interactive whiteboard is a large interactive display which connects the computer and the projector. A projector projects a computer's desktop onto the board surface where users control the computer using a pen, a finger, or a other device. The board is typically mounted to a wall or a floor stand. So, interactive whiteboard technologies may use one of the several types sensing the technology to track the interactive on the screen surface. Resistive, electromagnetic, camera-based, infrared optical, laser, and the ultrasonic. First one is the resistive interactive whiteboard. A touch-based interactive whiteboard also involves a simple pointing device. In this case, the material of the board is important. In the most common resistor system, a member of stretched over the surface deforms under the pressure to make contact with the conducting backplate. So the touch point location can then be determined electronically and registered as a mouse event. For example, when a finger is pressed on a surface, it is registered as the equivalent to the left mouse click. So, electromagnetic interactive whiteboard. An electromagnetic pen-based interactive whiteboard involves an array of wires embedded behind the solid board surface that interacts with the coil in the stylus tip to determine the horizontal and vertical coordinates of the stylus. So, the pen itself the usual is a passive. It contains no batteries or other power source. It alters the electrical signals produced by the board. For instance, when close to the surface of the board, the mouse pointer can be sensed, giving the board mouse over capabilities. When it is pressed in the against the board in one-way contact, the board signals of a click of the right mouse button. Here is the example for the interactive board. Here is the pen is showing in the picture. So interactive whiteboard. An infrared interactive whiteboard is a large interactive display that connects the computer and the projector. The board is typically mounted to a wall or a floor stand. Movement of the users in a finger, pen or other pointer over the image projected on the whiteboard is captured by the interference with the infrared light at the surface of the whiteboard. When the whiteboard surface is pressed, software triangulates the location of the marker or a stylus. Infrared interactive whiteboard may be made of any material, no dry erase marker are involved. So it includes various levels of classroom education, corporate boardrooms, training or activity room for organization. Portable ultrasonic. This technology uses the infrared light and ultrasonic positioning technology. The technology works in a similar way to lighting the thunderstorm by computing the time differences between the speed of a light and the speed of the sound. An infrared interactive whiteboard is also available in portable format. After moving the setup a new location, the system acquires connection to the computer with a simple recalibration of the project image again using the electronic pen. The device or bar scans the marketed area, usually 3 meter by 1.5 meter, giving a whiteboard that is 110 wide. So there is no batteries located for a record for USB signal receiver, and the unit can be mounted on the ceiling if the permanent solution is needed. So in classroom uses, in some classrooms, interactive whiteboards have replaced the traditional whiteboards or a flip charts or video or a media systems such as DVD player and a TV combination. Even where the traditional boards are used, the interactive whiteboard often supplements them by connecting to a school network digital videos distribution system. So in other cases, interactive whiteboards interact with the online shared annotations and drawing environments such as interactive vector-based graphical websites. So associated equipment. So here it is a variety of mobile stand. It allows the interactive whiteboard to be moved within the rooms. Many are height adjustable as well. Next one is personal response system. Allows the students to answer the test questions posted on the whiteboard or take part in the polls. Next one is printer. Allows the copies of the whiteboard notes to be made. Remote control allows the presenter to control the board from the different parts of the room. Next one is slate or tablet. Allows the students control of the whiteboard away from the front of the room. Track allows the whiteboard to be placed over a traditional whiteboard or a trackboard to provide additional wall space at the front of the room. Video projector. Here it also allows the computer display to be projected onto the whiteboard. Short throw projectors are available from the some manufacturers that mount directly above the board, minimizing the shadow effects. Wireless unit. It allows the interactive whiteboard to operate without the wires to the computer. Example, Bluetooth. Accessories are available for the interactive whiteboards. Next, the benefits of the interactive whiteboard. It increases the student engagement, making the learning process more enjoyable, connected to the internet, accommodations of the various learning styles, easy to review the lessons, reduce the classroom cost. Get students are communicating and interacting, allow the learners to participate in group discussions by freeing them from note taking. It allows the learners to work collaboratively around the shared task or a work area. It suits a variety of learning styles. It motivates and engage the students. It increases the attention span and improve the focus, allow the learners to absorb information more easily. Facilitate the knowledge retention. It can use any of the markers to write in a digital link. Teachers use the Interwrite software to create the lessons at home or school. Disadvantages of the interactive whiteboard: time required for less preparation, insufficient training lead to the problems, student height limitations, problems with the light and display, cost of purchase and maintaining. Negative impact on the eye health. The resistance from the old teachers. Surface can be damaged. Disruptive comments or drawings on the screen. So front projection board can be obscured by one or more users. So conclusion. I conclude that the interactive whiteboard fulfilled several intellectual functions. It made pupils think as well as develop their uh, powers of imaginations and attention, as it made possible to concrete reality with its abstract expression. Thank you.